Africa's first Airbus A350 XWB aircraft has touched down in Addis Ababa. Ethiopia's President Mulatu Teshome has described it as an important moment both for the country and the continent.
The Ethiopian has passed through different terrains and political landscapes. While many of the state-owned enterprises could not climb the steep hills, Ethiopia made it, and made it high in the sky.
Ethiopian Airlines says the plane will be a game changer for the national carrier.
It has the latest technology, the latest features in cabin, all the jet lag, altitude and fresh air, and also less carbon emission for the environment, less consumption of fuel.
The state-of-the-art aircraft will fly mostly between the Middle East and West Africa.
It's the first A350 in Africa. Our product today are answering to the need of all type of airlines, and low cost and flag carriers.
Ethiopian Airlines is taking delivery of 14 of the A350s in the coming months. The efficiency of this new plane is expected to enhance Ethiopian Airlines' performance and profit, also keep it dominant in African skies. Group Dallas CCTV, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.